I chose the Theradome device over others due to its favorable reviews and distinctive features, such as 1. 5mm penetration depth to reach the hair follicle. 2. Superior 680nm wavelength. Standard features include 1. FDA cleared. 2. Cordless design. Other features that may be unique to this brand and are worth mentioning. 1. Replaceable rechargeable battery. 2. Both the product and the laser are made in the USA. 3. Auto detection when placed on the head. It turns off automatically when removed. It will not operate unless it is on your head. Included in the box are 1. The LH40 helmet. 2. USB adapter and cable for charging. 3. Instructions booklet. 4. Accessories, which include a storage bag and foam padding for a tighter fit for those with smaller heads. Warning. Read instruction and warning carefully before use. Quick start. 1. Fully charge before first use. The light changes color during charging and turns green when fully charged. This may be hard to notice. 2. Place it on your head and press the switch to turn it on.
Treatment 4 started.
Leave it on for 20 minutes. It will announce the session number and time remaining every 5 minutes.
15 minutes remaining. Treatment 4 complete.
I have recorded my current hair condition and will continue to track any improvements. I'll release the first update after 120 days. If you're interested in seeing the review or update results, please subscribe and turn on notifications to get notified when I post new videos. I hope this video is useful. Thank you.